Everything we did today kept getting better. It started here. And this is what we're doing. And this happened. I thought this was the best part. Until this. Good morning, guys. We just arrived to Tangalooma, and the welcome sign's right there. We just arrived to where we catch the boat, and let's go, guys. I think after this we get to go on the boat.
Yeah. It goes on the thingy. It goes on the thing, yeah. If you need any more, sweet, thank you. You gotta put all these. It's for the big size.
Oh, I think we're supposed to. Is this on
So
a?
it's gonna go through the luggage carrier side.
Okay, tell us what are these for?
It's for our day trip.
What do you put it on?
It's gonna go through to. So there's a side that you put the luggages. Follow Atafai, where he's at. And by the way, meet Atafai, everybody.
It's good chat. Hey man, we're at Tangalooma.
Your name?
My name's Atafai. Yeah. Shout out Forest Lake, man. Yeah.
We're taking our whole house with us.
Any luggage you'd like to check in, you can just drop over on this yellow line and we'll sort it out for you.
Yeah. Oh, so this is where they put all the big stuff.
But if you want your bags and stuff on the...
Good morning. Let's go on the top. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Go on top. Let's see. Okay. We're going on the top. We can go up on the top, hey? Oh, yeah. Eesh.
Hey guys, so we're on the way to Tangalooma. We're gonna catch a ferry in. You get one of these, which is I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, throughout the day you get a coupon each, a $25 voucher, and you also get one free beverage in the ferry. So for those of you that haven't been to Tangalooma, this is our first time too, so kind of record as much as we can just to let you guys know what's involved, costing. So probably at the end of the video we'll go through costing. Today we'll be doing the TV quad bikes and also dolphin feeding, and you get full access to the resort there.
Alright, so they went to sit there and we didn't tell them that we're recording a video, and look at them. You go camp. Now go call mum. Call mum.
Let's give you a return right now the on board and back home. Now it's very important, don't wander off after dolphin feeding. The nighttime boat doesn't have a set departure time. It just is as simply as soon as dolphin feeding has concluded, we get everybody on board and start heading back to Brisbane. We do have a little bit of rain, unfortunately. Clear up while we were departing at least, that would be nice. Hopefully it will by the time we get in. I'm going to ask that everybody just remains in their seat while we are tying the boat up. We're going to spin it round.
And there they are. We made it, guys. There's a team.
What's up, man? Man, it's like we're in a different country right now, man. Wow. Welcome to Tangalooma Island.
You will find I will give the green card, that is the boarding pass. Please bring it with you. I will give the boarding pass at the tourist desk. The blue sign over there, there are some bird and there's blue sign. That is the meeting point. And the meeting time is 6:15. I already wrote down the time on the paper that I just gave you. 6:15 for the dolphin feeding. I already registered.
No, because they gave this to someone else.
Oh,
But it was meant to come to us.
okay. So what time is our ADVs?
2:45.
Holy, so we've got the whole day.
Yeah, so we've got the whole day. But what they said is we can hire out like paddle boards and kayaks down there.
Oh yeah, you can.
And this place we can use for, wait, this is where you have the food in it.
Yeah, let's go.
That's all you want to do, eh? It's just
They're
eat.
lying. They're lying. That's why
You
you're
too.
angry too. When I told you to come over here. Oh, you hungry with your stomach?
I'm hungry too.
Everyone's angry.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Ah,
have
look
some
at
to
that
eat
sun.
Look at that, look at
Let's
that.
have breakfast.
Look at that. Get some
Guys, let's swim around the
vitamin.
shipwreck.
What's this, vitamins?
Let's snorkel around the shipwreck.
Snorkel?
Yeah, let's go underwater.
We haven't booked a snorkel.
No, you can buy it for $10. You buy here.
Huh?
You hire it for $10.
It's just because you can't
Sorry,
swim.
I can't.
You buy it here.
Let's go then. Let's go.
Does it look like I can snorkel?
Yeah, look. It's all the way in the corner there. You see that?
Kayaks,
You see that black thing over
Yeah,
there?
kayaks. I don't
That's
Yeah, kayaks,
You can hire a
kayaks.
boat.
snorkeling. Yeah.
Yeah,
really
kayaks. Let's go
Yeah,
kayaks.
you can snorkel.
snorkel.
Let's go. Where
You
we
can
going?
do
Come on.
double kayak.
Huh?
So you and Titan, me, Mala, and then
I'm literally a toddler right now.
Okay, how about we set up the gazebo?
Oh,
You grabbed his toy. Oh, what about that, huh? Huh? Oh my gosh, the camera's gonna die.
I think the whole trip itself we booked was about $243 each. But you get to spend the whole day here. There's heaps of stuff to do, so not too bad. I'm just gonna go find a spot so we can put our stuff in and just chill out for the afternoon. Yeah.
out of every single spot they want to do, they want to go right here. Right in front of us.
Sorry, could you just say that into the mic?
You've got the whole beach and you want to go with a square meter in front of us.
Bro, just kissed my finger.
That's my phone. 250,000.
He wishes that he has 250,000 in there.
Stop swearing because
That's told me to
Like,
record
come on,
everything,
like-
so everything's gonna be recorded. Look at the sunny beaches. Where are we? Vanuatu or Tangalooma?
Are you a fella?
Now you're a papa.
I thought
Oh my gosh, big whale.
I thought I came here for a holiday. Just stress on top of stress.
Oh, please. I know, right?
You're only sitting up a damn Malky, bro.
Malkey. Sitting up a damn Malkey.
Oh, hey, you want to be Mr. Jokester today?
Oh, it's because she's in Tangalooma, so it's her accent's changed now. We're just setting up a damn Malkey. Yeah. Look. Phil Boko number 1, look.
Go, move it up to the top.
Here we go. Let's see what difference it makes. Okay. Look. Yeah, okay. Okay, Phil Boko, what happened?
That wasn't me, that was him.
It's you. Look.
What we call this is teamwork makes the dream work.
Go get another bag, go get the bag.
Alright, get the bag. Get the bag. But why do we need a bag? Nah, that's sad, bro. That's sad. Nah, get her, bro. Get her.
She's gonna cry now.
Wait, can I do it?
Get off!
No, I'll just sit next to my son.
Bro, look at this guy's sign.
Nah, she can't eat breakfast. Oh, I do love breakfast.
Let me get a close up on this guy's sign real quick.
Yeah. So this sign, I call it the Dickies. Cause like you know the store in America, lad.
We'll leave you to it, bro. If that's what floats your boat, bro. Alright. Look at this. Magnificent. Magnificent.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Salut. Oes. Salut, ketchup.
Pick the perfect place right next to the food.
I just want to know, like, is that
Oh, look. Got a volleyball net here. Yo,
Are you sure? Cause it looks like. Okay.
going in here. Get some food. Must be where they have their like shows and stuff here.
Oh, that's the actual meals, like the burger and chips and stuff. Lunchtime.
Oh, but what? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Let's go see what we can get. Let's feed these kids because they're about to.
Go. How much?
So what'd
What time is it?
What'd you get, babe?
Oh, bro, we have until ages till the ATV.
Sausage or shivers. A bacon and egg muffin.
Okay. Got the fruit salad there. What are we doing after this?
No, that tastes better.
What are we doing after this?
Oh, the potato free. Jump on it.
Where are you going? Take place tobacco here. Just in case. Yeah.
Next time we come here, you should buy one of these.
Yo. Sally, alright?
Oh, 50. Is that from that?
Yeah, do you want money off that? You what?
This is not raining, right?
Yeah. Lucky the ATVs was in the afternoon, didn't they?
Yeah.
Sally, let's go. Come this way. Oh, what's that thing in the middle there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a buoy.
Hold it.
Silent.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. This is so serious. Like they're gonna win a gold medal. Now why would you do that? How's that cheating?
Sorry, when I circled in. Did you get it underwater or not?
Nah. But I got you running and jumping in at halfway. G'day guys. So the time is now. It's 1:30. So we are in the day lounge. Toilets, changes. Yeah. So this is what we get for the day trippers who want to come and use the showers and all that. Yeah, this is pretty much what is part of that package. Yeah, true.
Alright, we're in the day lounge. About to go have some lunch with our $25 voucher. This is the team. How lovely is this? Bro, lucky we've got all day.
See, so the next activity you come here again. Just parasailing, look.
Parasailing.
You could do anything here.
Could be, what's the limit? The weight limit on the parasailing?
Oh, well, the one at Gold Coast was 200 or something.
200?
Yeah.
Oh, for two.
Yeah.
So,
No, so you would have to go with this guy.
oh hell
All by
no.
yourself. But it's mad. Parasailing's mad.
Nice, relaxing day.
Yeah. So how's the guys' experience there? First thing, Luma?
Oh,
10 out of 10.
no, 10 out of 10. This lounge actually made it even.
Yeah.
Came in clutch, eh?
Came in
Yeah.
clutch.
Like,
got-
it's nice for the kids.
You showed the showers and stuff?
No, you can go. No, I just said just the showers.
Bro, we didn't even forget a towel. I knew they were going to put, you can get towels here.
Fresh towels, freshly washed.
Yeah.
Now we're just hungry.
Now time to get some food.
Oh, the voucher. Give out everyone's voucher. I think that.
Oh yeah.
The voucher, I don't even wait. You go. What do you mean?
Oh, sorry, Willard. Country love.
Wait, I actually want to go watch Big Cash and Underworld.
Via is het malo. Zo, via is het malo.
Oh, it's here. Yo, let's go, Thailand.
What's guys, guys, I'm grateful.
Yes, that's it. Grateful, grateful.
Yeah.
There's the whānau, guys. Can you see all the whānau? Oh, you can only see my double chin. Anyways. Woohoo! Oh, te mavinga. Oh, shivers. This hand? Both? Oh. Okay.
Nicely done.
Oh my God. Yep, okay. Thank you. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Yep. See, I told you I wasn't listening. Oh, the worst person to give the frickin' mic. Why am I jumping? Eee. Oh yeah, let's go. Woo. I suck at this. Oh my God. I think so. I don't know. Oh my God. right, yeah? Oh my God, here we go. Ooh. Oh shoot! Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah! I can't do it. Oh my God! I'm sick. I am right now. Oh! Eh! Eh! Oh my God! What am I doing? Oh, I hate this. Ew. Okay. Wait for me, guys. I'm shitting myself, literally. Yeah, that's a whole workout. Look at this. How long is this going to take? What a view! Look at that! How beautiful! What happened? Guys. Come on, little boy! What is this for? Hey! What is this? What is this, guys? Oh, that was double pace. Go Titan! He'll probably drive better than me. Go, Polly. I can breathe. The heli?
Always scared. Good job. Smashed it.
Yeah, that's why I'm at the back, because I was crap. Bro, I was so scared. Yeah, that was so cool. Oh, can we get off now? Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, where do we go?
Keep it off.
Hey?
Keep it off, bro. Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow, bro. That was so ripping. Yo. I thought it wasn't gonna be.
Oh, watch out, watch out. They're coming off the road. Look, and then there's another activity, which is the helicopter ride. How cool is that? Bro, this resort has like everything. Excuse me, can you kakala my...
Sorry, baby. Alright, baby?
Yeah.
There you go.
Your ticket. Ow, my ears! Ugh. Dude, just put it there. Grab your stuff. Did you take your stuff? Thank you. Did you take? Where's your bag? How was that?
That was freaking tiring. My fingers hurt. But that was so cool.
See now, like
I thought I was
Guys,
gonna...
10 out of 10, you should call me out.
wait, now you didn't even know you had muscles on your fingers until today, eh? How did you feel on your little red one?
Bad because it was slow.
How did you guys feel? How did you guys feel? How was that?
Telling me stop.
Yeah, true.
They're still
Yeah,
yapping.
cool. Oh, right. Oh, yep. Ask me. How was that, Vinga? Oh, it was amazing. That's why I was at the back. Because why? Because I was so slow. But anyways, that was good. That was so cool. Look at them, still yapping. Yappa yappa. Yep. Oh, the helicopter is going. Look at that.
That's it. Nice to go for a waterfall though. That was amazing. Yeah, I was actually pretty scared I was gonna drive into a tree.
Now, where are we going?
my gosh.
Dolphin feeding.
And now we're going to eat. Oh yeah,
Let's go eat.
I'm hungry.
Well, what time is dolphin feeding?
6:15.
Really?
Yes, that's what she said this morning. That's why I said we have 8.
What's that for?
No, it was 6:15. Because the dolphins come at night time.
Yeah. Because he
Oh yeah.
we only stopped once.
But we need that ticket thingy.
So our order was 120, and with the coupons it took it down to only 44.60. All right, Shantisa's having
The same thing.
pork belly. Yep.
Is it this one?
Tamara's having pork belly. Oh, she said that's what Atafai got.
Yeah.
Wait,
Grilled chicken burger with a bit of mayo, bit of cheese, bit of bacon, steamed bun with some thickly cut chips. And you gotta have a Coke Zero to top it off. Thank you very much. What do we have today, guys?
I got the Tanga burger. Wanna have a look? Yes.
Oh, look at that.
With a hint of oyster.
Share the oyster, share the oyster.
I was just back there. I quickly dished up this seafood platter right here. And then I just got back from the sea. I caught
Someone took
these
the mic off
oysters.
him.
Yeah, it's like me. I ordered a salad, but they just gave me a burger.
What'd you get? Next.
What did you get, Tyler?
So what I got?
Where's your burger like that? Look.
Oh, sorry guys, I got hungry before the interview.
The man likes the.
Lad, I got a cheese. I got a cheesy burger. See that cool cheese?
First bite. What we saying? What do you reckon? Brioche bun, 50-50. Average. Quarter pound of better.
Yeah.
Quarter pound of better. First oyster. What do we think? Just picked this morning. Just harvested.
Just harvested.
Nice. All right. I'll see you when we finish.
Guys, what a beautiful sunset. I know, right?
What a view.
So stunning. Go that way.
Baby, look how good that view is.
Yeah, baby. You freaking cringy. Okay, the time is. It is 5:40. And we're waiting for our last activity of the day, which is the dolphin feed. And then we will head back home. But yeah, it is a beautiful sunset. So I thought I would capture that. I actually really rate this place. I wish we came for like 7 days. Well, but maybe next time for sure.
Wait, can I just
they
see how I
fight
look
or-
like?
No, I don't think so.
Turn on now. Yeah.
Can I do it now?
What?
Okay guys,
No,
we're
we
about
need to
to
be next
feed
to
the
the
dolphins and I am dressed like a dolphin. Someone kicked the girl out of the video. You can't even... Oh. I'm back in my shit. See? One kick and I got her in the face, knocked out to the sleep.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm not keen because straight up the wires, man. It's not fins up around here, bro. Straight up, bro. But yeah, it's cool to see the animals, but yeah, we need a warrior out here, bro.
You know, I was raining so much because I heard the Storms were gonna win. Like storms, and the.
Did you guys win last year? In the grand final?
Did you win?
Did you guys win?
No, but did you win?
Huh?
Did you win?
We always win.
Are you sure you even made the top 8?
Yeah, bro.
Did you make the top 8?
Every year it's our year, brother.
Nah, but my mom's team never makes it to anything. Parramatta Eels. Anything to say?
I'm lucky we lined up when we did.
Who do you go for? Oi, actually, what the hell is this all dolphin feeding? Who do you go for?
Don't want to talk on the mic.
Well, she's being an anger issue girl right now.
She lives in the swamp because she goes for the eels.
Yo, oh. You go for the Eels? The Eels, bro, I haven't seen them make the top 8 in years. Or decades.
Guys, my brother wants to be an NLL player, but he doesn't even show me, so I don't know.
Oh, I think that's the same one how she got into the rugby. As soon as it got into the rugby, didn't train, just went to the games.
I told my mom and dad I didn't want to play.
Don't flinch, man. Don't flinch.
Yeah, no effects. No effects. No effects. No affection. What's up? Both of yous come right now. No.
Bro, I literally moved forward. Imagine if you actually pushed my face. I would have freaking kicked you over.
Oh, because I would have kicked you to sleep. Chop. Oh, bro, get off me.
Wait.
No. Do you want to talk on my video?
No.
Wait, what's the white
I'm
thing
gonna
on his...
play Fortnite all
wait,
night
show me
on
the
a
white thing on his
school
lip.
night with no.
Wait, what's the white thing on his lip then?
Wait, show me, show
Just
me.
you didn't even delete it, you fag. Hey, if the cameraman puts that in, he's never.
Oh shit. Oh look. Kishi Ushi. Wow. I'm a tortilla. I'm a tortilla. It's a soldier.
Hi guys, were you in lane 2? Second lane, perfect. You'll be seated. Can I just hold your wrist again here? Are you gonna feed the 2 fish?
Yeah.
Or you're gonna do 1?
He's gonna do both.
Perfect, no worries. Second. You ready? Ready? Alright, so we're gonna be feeding Calypso. This is the second dolphin here. We're gonna wait for the photographer to come to us. And once we're ready, we'll put the hand into the water very slowly and gentle. Okay? We don't want to do quick movements, otherwise we'll get him nervous. Alright, so first one, nice and deep in the water. And then the other one. Great, good boy, Calypso. Thank you guys.
Look at that. Feeding the dolphins. Win. And when do you ever get an opportunity like that? Well done, team.
That was actually amazing. I almost beat him off one.
Well done, lots of fun. Amazing. Look at the pelicans back.
Ah, man, what an experience, bro. To be honest.
What a shot. Ooh, another big guy here. He's happy.
Kia ora, kia ora. Just a little recap. Yeah, what a blessed day, what a fun day it was today. Started off just, you know, the kayaking, bit of swimming. Then we got into some quad bikes, found our lounge. But yeah, nah. Ended off with a bit of dolphin feeding. Beautiful day for it. A little bit of rain, but now we're just on the boat back home now, back to Brisbane. But yeah, sweet as. What do you got to say, Titan? How's your day?
My day was good, but what wasn't good about the trip was that it rained like every hour or so. But overall, food was good, trip was good, Swimming was good. Everything was good, basically. How about you? Doesn't want to talk because she's tired. How about you, Dad?
Well, I think today, beautiful day. All in all, best experience, I reckon. And it's times like this, just spending time with family, enjoying family time, beats going out, or, partying or whatever. It's just creating memories.
See you at the next video.
Yeah, guys, latest. Tyler.